guys, it is Gemini, and today we're doing another cozy video. So this is going to be more low-key, more chillax, less instructional, more so just like this is how we did things. Today we're going to be doing a Studio Ghibli themed picnic, just like our title says. I am actually going to be seeing Joe Hisaishi, the main composer for Studio Ghibli movies, in concert live, and I'm so stoked. I've always dreamed, it was one of my bucket list things to do, was to see him live in concert. I know I'm gonna be bawling. In case you don't know what Studio Ghibli is, it's the main popular ones are like Ponyo, Spirited Away, Howl's Moving Castle, My Neighbor Totoro. Like there's so many different ones, and those are just like some of the more popular ones. So we got a little bit of everything today. We got a little bit of making some party favors and glassware, personalized glassware. We also have some amateur baking and some like food stuff. Yeah, just a little bit of everything to make it all come together. I also want to do some thrifting to make this picnic come to life and make it a little bit special for us and our friends. But let's get cozy, grab a hot drink, and let's get started. So for our first DIY, we are going to make these personalized glass cups. I got these from Amazon. I will link them below. They are super cute. It's really well packaged, I'm gonna say. It comes with glass straws. It comes with some cleaners as well. That's pretty cool. When I say these are really well packaged, these are really well packaged because these are a little tricky to get out. So these come in a pack of 8, which is perfect. That's exactly how many I need. Wrap like that. How cute are these? And then they come with a little lid. And then they come with a glass straw, which, hold on. Tell me that's not cute. Tell me that's not cute. That's so cute. And if you wanted to fit a boba straw, that should work. These are pretty sturdy. They're not terribly thin because there was one of my concerns was there's a lot of them that are too thin, and I was afraid of it like cracking. Definitely still nervous about the straw. Like, yeah, roughly like 4 millimeters thick, and then the straw is about 2 millimeters thick. I think it's pretty good. It also comes with a seal at the bottom here and bamboo top. So I'm going to give all of these a good wash before starting. And then after washing them and drying them, we're going to wipe everything off with alcohol to prep the area for the vinyl. So let's go do that. So our glasses are washed, and I'm going to be weeding all the designs out. So it's going to take me a while. So I haven't told any of my friends that I'm making these for them, so it's gonna be a really nice surprise. Also, I never really have nails like this. So let me ASMR real quick. Hold on. Okay, so let's clean everything with some alcohol. Prepping the alcohol with the alcohol is just necessary. Taking all the oils out, all the dirt and impurities. I know we just washed them, but this just gives a really clean surface, especially from oil from your hands and all of that. So. Okay, for our second one, we're going to be making the bath tokens from Spirited Away. I love this movie so much. This was the first Hayao Miyazaki movie I ever watched on Cartoon Network. It was like, I think early 2000s is when it premiered, with the dubbed version, and I really, really love this movie. I've watched it so many times, and I thought this would be a very easy way to make a personalized little gift for our friends that are coming to this concert as well with me. So I got some hobby board from the craft store. I got a 1/4 inch by 3 inch by 36. This one's pretty sturdy, and I really liked how sturdy it was. Obviously, you can do whatever size you want. For the ratio of the actual bath tokens, I thought it would be better if it was 7 by 2.5. That's what looked right to me, like based on what the movie showed. But yeah, do whatever ones you want. I'm just going to use a utility knife because this is basswood, so it's very easy to cut. It's pretty soft. So let's get started. And if the background looks unfamiliar, it's because it is. I'm actually at my parents' house visiting for the holiday, and just want to continue some crafting. So we're just going to make shallow scores until we cut all the way through. This is going to take a while. I just find I have more control with the utility knife with such a small piece of wood like this. So you start scoring on the backside as well. Sides, we can try to snap it off. Let's see if that works. We have our pieces sanded, the edges are rounded out, and we're just gonna paint it red. I am using cherry red from Americana. This was like probably 50 cents or $1 or something. Here's the final lineup. Next, I will put all of my friends' names on the back, and we're pretty much done. We'll put a ribbon at the top. Yeah. As I mentioned, Spirited Away was actually the first Studio Ghibli movie that I watched. I love that movie. There's just so many aspects of it just being magical and fantastical, and just beautiful animation, and of course, like, anime food always looks so good. I'm hungry just thinking about it. Oh, but yeah, such a cool movie. So if you were to watch like a Studio Ghibli movie first, I feel like Spirited Away is a good one, where it's like mature enough for adults to enjoy, but also like kids can also enjoy that as well, like younger kids. There's like My Neighbor Totoro, which is more geared towards kids if you're trying to watch it for the first time with little kids. Princess Mononoke is definitely one of my favorites. Howl's Moving Castle is my absolute favorite. I watch that over and over. I love that movie. There are some newer Hayao Miyazaki Studio Ghibli movies I haven't had a chance to watch yet, but I plan on it soon. I know there's one coming up really soon that's brand new, and there's no trailers or anything for it, not even advertisements for it. They just know it's coming out soon. I don't know when that is, but amazing, amazing.